we are starting a new vlog.
A new vlog or the first vlog?
Oh yeah, we are the first vlog. So, on our first vlog, naisipan namin to play a little game. And before we play, let's introduce ourselves naman, love. Para meron silang
Sige.
something.
Hello, I'm John.
This is awkward. I'm Rose.
LDR pa lang tayo, pinag-uusapan na natin to eh.
Totoo.
Because we've been seeing a lot of couples doing their vlogs and it's very common nowadays.
And, you know, the main reason why we wanted to start din as well, kasi we wanted to preserve memories. We wanted something to look back.
Exactly.
Kasi we have a lot of pictures, but pictures compared to videos are really different, no?
I remember before all of this, kahit nung nililigawan pa lang kita sa FEU, I was really impressed at the way you presented your Tumblr.
Oh,
account.
yeah. Doon ako nag-start.
Ano na talaga siya, kumbaga I would say Rose has been always a natural blogger. So I think being a vlogger for her is, it comes in.
It's okay. So, first time niya.
Cut. I think it's about time na we rekindle your
Yes.
passion.
Because I have a YouTube channel din. Separate YouTube channel. But, ayun na nga.
I've always wanted to do that.
Same. Okay. So, ang gagawin namin, gagawa kami ng mga categories or questions muna on our own. So, naka-ready na yung mga mini paper namin. Dito namin isusulat yung mga questions. Ready ka na ba?
Ready na.
Ready na? Okay. May delivery tayo! Tada!
Nice.
Dumating na! So, habang naglalaro kami, syempre, kakain kami. Kasi dinner na din. Para may dinner kami. So, nag-order lang ako sa Uber Eats tonight. Hindi mo na ako nagluto. I'm excited to eat this. Anyway, so ito yung food natin for tonight. Korean food. So, meron tayong pork belly, fried chicken, and beef broth.
Yummy!
Yan. So, tikim muna tayo bago tayo mag-start with our first question.
Sige.
May dirt pa.
Nga. May kasama rin siyang side dish. The first question. So, dito yung mga question natin. Okay. Body part. Anong body part? Favorite body part.
Ng isa't isa. Okay, favorite body part. Hindi mo pwedeng buo lahat.
Buong katawan? Buong magkatao?
Oo, favorite kita eh.
Ay! Mas favorite kita.
Okay,
Hey, ready?
ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Next question is, Favorite fruit?
Fruit.
3, 2, 1.
Go!
Oh my goodness! Mango!
Japanese pear. Actually, wala akong favorite fruit before, pero
Wala.
nung in-introduce ko sa kanya tong Japanese pear,
I keep on saying
he's been
pear.
requesting.
I keep on saying pear, but she always insists Japanese pear.
Yes, because there's a lot of pears. There's a lot of different, kinds of pears. Merong Korean, merong Japanese, the typical Australian pear. Mas juicy kasi yung Japanese pears.
Yeah. Agree.
Okay. Mmm.
Yeah. Mm.
Favorite sport?
Easy. Three, two, one. Show. Volleyball.
Basketball.
Volleyball kasi, varsity siya ng volleyball when she was in high school. And she tells me all about her
Believe it or not,
experiences.
varsity ako ng high school.
Pero pag naglaro kami ng volleyball ngayon, magkakaalaman.
Wala nang training siya.
Magkakaalaman.
Ito naman, favorite niya talaga to basketball ever since high school. Talagang.
Kobe.
Okay.
It's favorite hobby.
Oh, that's easy. I know what your hobby is.
Medyo mahirap to para sa akin.
Yeah, because I have a lot of hobbies.
Yeah, but I'll just choose what I think suits you best.
Alright. 3,
2,
2,
1, go! Taking photos?
Ah! You got it right. Hi! His favorite hobby and pinaka-hate na hobby ko sa kanya, which is playing games.
Yeah. She doesn't like it. Yeah, mahilig siya mag-take ng photos. And kapag nasa labas kami, hindi ko siya kukuhanan ng picture, hindi niya kukuhanan ng picture. It's like, that
Instagram. Instagram.
comfort snack.
Mm.
Okay.
I'm ready. 2.
3, 2, 1. Gummy bear.
Yes.
Ano yung mo sa akin? Indomie.
Ano talaga yung lagi niya
Correct.
nire-request every morning. Medyo nililimitahan ko na nga kasi syempre instant noodles pa rin to.
Yeah.
So.
Sa akin naman, gummy bear sa kanya kasi every time we go to the supermarket, hindi pwedeng hindi niya hagilapin to.
I need
Tapos,
something to snack kasi.
Hindi siya matutuwa kapag hindi niya, pagka out of stock siya sa shelves. And that's really funny seeing her reaction.
Favorite color?
Easy.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go. White.
Yes, I love white. And red. Although wala siyang maraming red na damit.
Wala talaga.
Oh, parang mga 1 or 2 lang.
Wala
na
talaga.
T-shirt. Meron.
Meron ba?
Yeah. Binilan kita ng red na
Wala pala.
t-shirt. Ako naman, on why I like white.
Malinis.
Malinis tingnan. Like, purity, innocent,
Charity.
honesty.
Okay, music.
Music.
Music. Favorite music. Isa. 3, 2, 1, show. K-pop. Very easy.
K-pop, all the time. R&B or rap?
Yeah. Yun yung pinalakihan kong music.
Mm-mm. Walang one eh. Marami siyang variety na gusto.
For her, K-pop. Lalo na kapag sikat yung music na K-pop, aaraw-arawin niya yan hanggang sa magsawa siya.
Oh, every time na may new release, recently favorite ko yung Cupid. So, pati siya na LSS na rin.
Discussion. Celebrity! Kilala niya pero hindi niya alam yung tunay na pangalan.
I think matatalo ako dito sa round na to. Favorite?
Tignan niyo sagot ko, syempre. Kanina mo pa tinitignan yung sagot ko eh. Makikita mo din naman eh. Alam mo, hindi lang talaga ako nagsasalita eh, pero yung mata mo lagi nakatitig sa mga sinusulat ko eh.
Hindi ko, hirap.
3 to 1 show. Chris Hemsworth.
Si Thor!
Eminem! No!
Who's your favorite celebrity?
Sa kanya, si Thor. Hindi niya sinabi sa akin yan, pero alam ko na nung una pa. Because of the reactions she would give kapag pinapanood namin yung movie na Thor. Pinagsasalosan niya pa yun kapag merong kinikiss na ibang leading lady. Ganon niya ka-favorite sa Thor.
Kasi naman, syempre, sino bang walang may favorite kay Thor, di ba? Although hindi ko alam yung pangalan. Pero tama. Sino yung
Eminem?
favorite mo? I don't know.
Jason Momoa.
Si
Diba?
Khal Drogo!
Oh!
Tama siya, hindi ko alam yung real name. Ang natatandaan ko yung mga character name instead of the celebrity name.
Favorite TV show? Oh my goodness. Alam na alam niya to. Dahil araw-araw itong pinapanood. Ready? 3, 2, 1, show! K-drama!
Ayan. Sa kanya, nakakagulat man pero sobrang hilig niya lately dito sa Raffy Tulfo reaction. Like, magigising na lang ako. Naririnig ko na si Raffy Tulfo early in the morning. Kakain, maliligo, nasa banyo, Raffy Tulfo.
Sir Idol Raffy Tulfo! Sir! Sinusumbong ko nga po pala ang aking asawa.
Okay, last question.
Last question para sa asawa ko. Ladies choice.
Pero,
Ladies choice.
pero binuran na niya, kinuha niya na. Favorite pet?
Ay,
Animal? Okay, pet. Sige, pet.
show! Dog.
Oh, yes.
I think she's not a fan of animals and pets, pero when it comes to dogs, kahit papaano, napapalingon siya. Lalo na kung cute yung dog.
Oh, especially kapag yung Japanese na dog, yung Hachiko.
Shiba.
Shiba Inu.
Shiba Inu.
Shiba Inu.
Hachiko.
Hachiko. Hachiko is a Japan. Sa kanya dog.
Yeah.
Like, lahat ng dog na nasa street na madadaanan namin, hindi pwedeng hindi lumalapit sa kanya yung dog. Like, parang may magnet siya. That is really amazing. And sabi nga nila, kapag gusto ka daw nung animal or nung dog, it means you're a good person.
Thank you.
And you have a pure heart. And that heart is mine.
Ay!
Okay, so that's the end of the
Game show!
game. Little game natin.
Yay!
And since tapos na ang game, we can continue to eat na.
Okay.
Alright, so,
Thank you sa panonood. Ito ng ending. Ending. Goodbye. Paalam sa'yo. Okay. Okay, that's the end of our activity and video for today. Next time ulit, gagawa kami. And mag-iisip kami ng better and more exciting activities para dito sa aming goal to preserve our memories
Yes, and I am also looking forward sa mga travel videos natin, love. Kasi we have an upcoming travel sa
Japan!
and Philippines! I'm really excited to vlog all about our trip. We'll
Paalam
end this
mo.
video
Sige na.
kasi
Sige na, sige na, sige na.
kakain muna kami ng i-continue namin tong mukbang namin on our own na. Okay? Bye-bye! Don't forget to subscribe, ha?
Click the
Click
click the button down below and don't forget to click the bell button down below.
Tungkit ko. Nakalimutan ko na din yung script ko. Sige na, bye-bye!
Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button down below so that you can be notified and sanay na sanay eh.